Hi, I'm Steve from Odd Designs, and for our overseas customers I'd like to show you how to assemble your newly arrived OdPod. It's quite straightforward. This is how it will look in the pack. All you'll need is a 5mm Allen key and a Phillips number 2 screwdriver. We take the bracket and remove the bolt. You'll notice there are 2 washers on it, and those are simply act as spacers. So just put them to one side for a second, and then we place our legs, the blue to the left, white centre and red to the right. We take our bolt and push it through 3/4 of the way. Place the red leg on first, or the leg with the strap, and then our first washer that acts as a spacer. The one the white leg, or central leg, second washer, and the third leg we put in at an angle and then simply turn it. Then we can tighten up the bolt with the 5mm Allen key. You need to press down quite firmly on that. And we tighten it until that's just slightly proud. That's fine. Now to the strap. We loosen this screw and remove this screw completely. Swing the strap across and put the second screw in. Excuse me, fiddle it. And tighten all the way up. And finally, tighten the first screw. And there we are. One OdPod. Thank you very much.